Practice set 5.3, question number 1. This is also given for self-study. Angles made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis are given. Find the slope of these lines. First angle 45 degree. So m is equal to tan theta. So tan 45 is, slope is 1. Tan 45 is 1. 60 degree angle, m is tan 60, that is root 3. So slope is root 3. 90 degree, tan 90, that is undefined. So slope cannot be defined. Then find the slope. Question number 2. Find the slopes of the lines passing through given points. So you have 6 examples given over here. I'll explain first 2 examples. Then you try for remaining examples. So coordinates of point A 2 3. Coordinates of point B 4 7. Slope you have to find out with the concept ratio of difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinates. So x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the slope of your line AB. So here point P with coordinates minus 3 1, Q with coordinates 5 minus 2. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is minus 2 minus of 1 upon 5 minus of minus 3. That is minus 3 by 8. Ratio of difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinates. Slope of a line. Likewise complete all 6 examples. Question number 3 from your practice set. Determine whether the following points are collinear or not. This is also given for self-study. Let us discuss this question. Points A, B, C are given. You have to check whether points are collinear or not. Coordinates of A minus 1, 1. Coordinates of B 0, 1. Coordinates of C 1, 3. So slope of line AB, again I repeat, ratio of difference of y coordinates to difference of x coordinates. So x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is true. Slope of line BC, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. This is true. Slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC, which is 2. So given points are collinear points. Second example, coordinates of D, coordinates of E and coordinates of F are given. Slope of line DE, x1, y1, x2, y2. Ratio of difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinates, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 3 upon 3, that is 1. Slope of line EF is 1. So slope of line DE is equal to slope of line EF, which is 1. So points are collinear. Likewise, solve all 6 examples to get collinearity of points. Question number 4. A, B and C are vertices of a triangle. Then find the slope of each side. A, B, C are the points, are the vertices of a triangle. So we'll find out slope AB, slope BC and slope AC. So ratio of difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinate. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope is minus 5. Slope of line BC 1 upon 5 and slope of line AC y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is minus 2 by 3. Question number 5. Show that ABCD are vertices of parallelogram. Using slope concept, we have these coordinates of point ABCD. AB, we'll find out slope of AB, slope BC, so slope CD and slope of line AD. So slope of line AB is same as slope of line CD. Using the concept of slope of a line, difference in ratio of difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinates. So it is same, that is 3. Therefore, we have line AB parallel to line CD and line BC parallel to line AD. When opposite sides are parallel, then this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Your next question, question number 7. Find K if BC and the slope of line is 7. So slope of line BC is 7. Slope is ratio of difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinates. So this is 7. Equated value of k is 0. Find k if PQ is parallel to RS. Coordinates of P, Q, R and S are given. So if line PQ parallel to RS, then their slopes are equal. Find out slope of line PQ and find out slope of line RS. Equate it and find out value of